Particularly for the fellow travelers in India, the most important things when you cross borders, though you will not be stopped, but there are chances that looking at a different registration, you may be asked to step aside. What you must be carrying is your original registration card of your motorcycle, your valid insurance of your motorcycle, your pollution certificate, and your driving license, which is, these are again 4 documents which ideally you must have it on you in originals. There are some areas where the DigiLocker is accepted, but it's always good to have hard copy with you and making sure that before the inspector asks you, these are the things that you can show and move on. Please make sure your insurance is valid. Your pollution is under 6 months, because these are things that can get you challaned for no reason.